Welcome everybody in the channel. This is Salvo Vaccaro. I'm the founder of Price Action FX. I trade live since August 2019. Guys, I do have a present for all of you. This is Christmas time. I want to give you access completely free for 7 days in my super powerful Telegram channels. Just follow the link that you will find in the description of this video. You will be able to access 2 of my VIP channels where you will enjoy live mentorship, live trading, and a powerful forecast, which is already there on VIP. What you can also do, guys, is you can download on your MetaTrader 5 the same charts and setup. I offer the zipped folder. You can just put it on your data folder and you will have your entries in yellow and target in green for all the pairs we are going to discuss today, which are the crude oil, WTI, gold, euro dollar, the dollar Swiss franc, British pound US dollar, Japanese yen versus the US dollar, and the Australian dollar US dollar. Now guys, we are talking about commodities and the currencies all priced up and related to the US dollar, so we must have a look at the DXY. This week, guys, big event coming up. We do have 3 interest rate decisions. On Wednesday, we're going to have core CPI data, which is quite important for the dollar. And on Thursday, FOMC. So, guys, that will be the driver, the real driver of the DXY. My view is bullish. So, I believe the index will challenge the 106 on the way up to the 108. However, we need to see the data to see if the bottom of the DXY will be in the 103,700 to the 103,100 area, which is my forecast, or if we have a double bottom at the 104,113, which I don't believe, as on the 13th of December we got CPI data and we expect the dollar to go down, possibly pull back, but the FOMC should create a serious head for the long term, where we got a shoulder, the head, and then a shoulder on the way up to the 106 and 108. Let's get onto the chart, guys. We start with oil. Now, oil, guys, we've seen a huge sell-off over the last 2 weeks of the West Texas Interchange WTI, so we expect a pullback. You see this huge divergence in the last hour, 2 hours of the Forex on Friday. I wouldn't be surprised if the oil opens with a gap on market open and rallies up. We need to look at data related to the oil on the 14th of December. I'm expecting the price to reach the 77, possibly the 78,600 area, where we should see sellers pushing the price down to the previous low, 7,200, down to the 67,900. Now gold, guys, we all love gold and we like gold. We do have a bearish pennant, and guys, I haven't been trading gold when it was inside here because, as you can see, it's been very regular, and this is not a money maker. What I want the gold to do for me to open a position is to break from this channel, support becoming resistance, and this could happen easily at FOMC event, and this retest will become a powerful sell entry. The 1786 to the 1790 should be the retest after a breakout with momentum of the gold on the way down to 1707. And guys, if we break the 1707, the next support is the 168176. With currencies now, the euro dollar again is similar to gold, is coming up and up. It might fetch the 106,500, possibly the 107. However, guys, I believe at the FOMC event, if the dollar gets strong, we're gonna have a huge sell-off, and again the retests of the breakout from this support will become a powerful sell entry between the 104,600 to the 105, where the price will be pushed down to the 101,200, ultimately to the 099 770. Regarding the US dollar Swiss franc, guys, I'm not quite sure. However, I will be interested in buying the US dollar Swiss franc if we see the 0.92.200, possibly 0.91.800. And if you look at that, these are the lowest of the 1st of April. So it's quite an important support for the dollar Swiss franc, and I would expect buyers to push the price up in this area up to the 97, possibly the 98. British pound US dollar, I made a little draw, guys. What I'd like to see after we saw the historical low, the British pound is at a very good recovery. Now, I believe that these support will be tested and will be the head, and I want to monitor that. So I will not take buy position here, guys. This is the 120. I'd like to see, this could be a possible sell-off at the FOMC event or the CPI, core CPI data on Wednesday. However, guys, I want to see the British pound coming with momentum back in the channel and forming head and shoulder. This could be a potential good buy area in the 121-500 area up to the 124, ultimately 124.580. Now the US dollar JPY, guys, I will be interested in the sell off on the 13th of December when the CPI has been released. I'm expecting this pair to come up strong to the 138.500, possibly the 139. However, on the 13th of December, we could see a huge sell-off, a break from this support, becoming resistance, and this is where I'm interested in selling between the 136.500 and 137 down to the 134.200, possibly creating a double bottom at the 133.590. Last, we have Australian dollar, US dollar. Well, guys, similar to the euro dollar, similar to the gold, we want to see a clear breakout. We might see the price rolling up to the 68.500, possibly to the 69, creating a powerful head. However, at the time of FOMC, I'm expecting a huge sell-off, big breakout with momentum. The retest, the pullback will become my entry, my target sell entry, included between the 0.67.500 and 0.67.800 down to the 0.65.500, ultimately the 0.64.930. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching. You are invited on my live trading, live mentorship channel. Just follow the link on the description. You will be able to upload on your MetaTrader the same charts you've seen today. Guys, again, thank you very much for watching, and ciao!